Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch football on Stream TV in 2025. Let's get started. First, go to official Stream TV website or open the Stream TV app on your device. It's available on PC, Android, iOS, and Smart TV. If you don't have an account yet, you can click sign up and register your email, Google, or Facebook. If you have already an account, just simply log in. Next, navigate to the sports or football section. You'll see the list of live matches, upcoming games, and highlights. Click on the match that you want to watch, or you have an option for different streams or channels. So pick the best quality or the lowest lag. And hit play. And your match should start in a few seconds. Make sure to have an internet connection that is stable for smooth streaming. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.